OK 出発。1時間50分。
アイレット。
今回は下道。
今回下道。今日は時間通りに出発できたから。
西に進みます。
今日はカンタとの電話だから日本語でしよっか。Or you could speak in English. How would you greet everyone?
Welcome to our YouTube.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Cute.
Make some noise for that team! All right, everyone, unlock your feet and get down. All right, good luck, everybody. And the other side.
Late B1 をきれいにするバックシフティ。あ、でもバッテリーなくなりそうから。See you guys there. See you guys at Island. And we are here. Just realized in my last video I didn't really introduce the facility that well. So you've got the middle kicker, the big kicker, you've got the small kicker up there, and then you've got the mini kicker. And then here's the reception building, I guess you can call it, where you've got the changing rooms and where you pay and where you get your board waxed. They actually have this special brush wax for the mats that you snowboard on. And the boss does it for you every time you come here. I also realized that last week I didn't say what you needed to go snowboarding here. Normally at the other off-season training facilities, you have to pay for the rentals, but rentals free here. So all you need to bring is your boots and your bindings. You should also bring like hand gloves just in case you fall on the mat. But a lot of the good people here, they actually don't wear gloves because they just don't fall. If you do bring your own snowboard, you should bring an old one that you won't use anymore because they file the edges so that it doesn't pop the air mat. Once they file the edges, you can't use that board on the slopes anymore. So I use my old Solomon Lotus. And I also use like an old pair of bindings because I don't want to use my normal bindings for the off-season training. So yeah, that's what Isla is like. Hey guys, so I just finished my warm-up session on the mini and I tried tail grab and nose grab today. I don't usually do those. Tail grab went better than I thought it would, and then nose grab, I just can't grab the nose, and also I still can't do front ones. I'm really not good at turning anti-clockwise, but we're at the middle kicker now. I'm experimenting with putting my GoPro here in the shade because last time in the sun it was too hot so it expanded. So let's see if putting it in the shade will help keep its battery life better. I also wanted to show you guys what the mats looked like. So the mat is like this. GoPro update. So it's still overheated, so I'll have to switch to using my phone. So I just finished the first middle kicker section for today. It's really hot today, so I got hungry way faster. So I'm gonna go have my onigiri now. Today's lunch. I got these rice balls at the supermarket yesterday and some apple juice. just finished another session on the middle kicker. I think I need to go reapply sunscreen because my face feels really hot. I'm practicing backside 180s now. I want to do late back ones though, but they're kind of not doing the shuffle that I did last week. What's up guys? So I finished my session for today. Finished a bit earlier. It's like I'm using my phone to film so I can't see the time. But I think it's like 4:30? Yeah, I finished around 4. It was actually really nice and cool later in the afternoon, so I wanted to keep going. But then I was getting a bit tired, so I thought it'd be better for me to go home early instead of keep snowboarding and possibly get injured. And then I came back to the car and then my DSLR was ran out of battery too. So that's why I'm using my phone. I found out that the GoPro has a duration timer, so I used that and then I was able to keep my second battery running for longer that way. What was I happy with today? I was happy with the tail grab. I've never really practiced that before. Actually, I was most happy with some of the straight airs I did today because I finally learned the timing of when you pop off your tail to get that extra air time. And then I tried to do the indie grab and then you tweak it a little bit. はい、ここでストップ。編集中にカンタになんで私が英語で tweak ここで使ったのを聞かれたからその説明をカンタにやってもらいます。どうぞ。
Hi guys。ちょっと風が強いんだけど、トゥイークについて説明しようと思います。ボードのジャンルと国によって若干トゥイークの意味合いが変わってくるっていうところがあるので、まずスケートボードとスノーボードでトゥイークの意味合いが若干変わってきます。スケートボードの方だと、いわゆるスノーボードでいうところのフォークと、あとはボーンかなのことをスケートボードではトゥイークっていうらしくて、走ってる状態のことかなのことをトゥイークって言います。で、スノーボードの方だと国によって若干意味合いが分かれていて、日本の方だとバックシフティした状態でメソッドのメロングラブしてるものをトゥイークって言います。メロンのグラブでバックシフティしてこういう形になります。海外の方のトゥイークだとバックシフティしてない状態もトゥイークっていうんで、メソッドとトゥイークが全く同じものになります。ジェイミーがやってたやつは、あれはスケートボードでいうところのトゥイークになるんで、スノーボードでいうとポークかボーンをやったことになるかな。
So that's how it went today. I'm gonna drive home. See you guys next time.